What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm gonna give you a couple tips on how you can get this screw out of the rotor. They hold the rotor on and sometimes they can be difficult. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. A lot of times when these are rusted in there, you can try to loosen them up and before you strip anything out, just take a punch and a hammer and just give it a tap. That's gonna break free any of the rust and loosen up the screw, so it'll make it easier to come out. You can do it this way, just like that. Also, if you have an air hammer, you can take the air hammer and just vibrate it a little bit. Go around like that. It's going to help loosen it up. You can try using an impact driver. Just slide the bit in there. Take a hammer, you're just going to hold it so you've got pressure going to the left. And give it a tap. And if it still doesn't work, what I like to do is use a 3/8 air gun and just slowly tap it. And a lot of times it comes right out.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.